How to replace water pump and the tensioner. Both broken, so I'll replace both. This is broken, snapped in the back. Apparently it's common. Isn't pumping, so we'll see. This pipe stayed cold, hot. This one stayed cold, and it just didn't circulate it properly. Like when it pressed this pipe here, it got warmer down here, so I'm guessing it didn't have enough power to press through here. And then that way, with that being said, whatever, this hose didn't get hot, and that goes to the heater inside, and the car didn't get hot. So obviously, get rid of the cooler, the fan, which is pretty straightforward. Get rid of these bolts. This one is round, so we'll try to get that out now, and then I'll film from here. Yeah, my plan is to do that first. Yep, I'm gonna grind a little slot into there. So Toby, my cousin, said I keep holding these wrong, just for you. Look at this. So she's not coming off. She's on tight. Probably just gonna grind it off because I got the new pump anyway, right? And I'll just get a new bolt. Yep. So look who decided to turn while cutting it off. Yeah, the good thing is I can reuse it and I don't have to look for a new bolt. So I'm thankful. Comes off. Yes. There's bolts here, little ones, nuts. You just gotta take them off and then this should come off. Little 8mm, and then there's a washer as well. And then just the sensor here. Like if, I don't know if something like this can break or be broke because there's cracks here. If this makes my water pump go bad or not work. Alright, that's off. I'm just going to clean everything off first. And before we install that, I'm going to take this off because maybe I'll have more room. This water pump is not the same as that one. The shape and everything is the same, but this one has this. It's just a runoff, which this has just a hole there, which I guess I could use. But these bolts here, they're all higher up. I would need new bolts because these ones are lower. I don't think the serpentine belt would hit them. And this is the hose where that runoff goes, and don't know how important that is, but I don't know, because that water pump is for this guy, and I thought it's like, well, I'll order one again for this one because I don't need it right now, but just gonna wait on it, order that original one, and then because I'm gonna have to order the new tensioner anyway. So you just gotta take off all of these bolts, this one, and just follow this thing here. It's loose now, but there's bolts, I think 2 of them here. Then this is loose already, but then you gotta take this guy off. I'm guessing there's a thread behind there, and then it just comes off like that. And obviously this guy you gotta see. Oh no! Over there. Yeah, and apparently this is common. This is where this breaks. This thing that goes through here, the hole where you adjust it, where this thing sits on. That goes here. I'm pretty sure that this is not weldable. Pretty dumb. Yeah, and that's where this bolt sat in. This one. This one. Threads in the back there. So, okay, new parts have arrived. Water pump, it's the same. The other one that I had wouldn't have been the same because the sensor hole was wrong as well. But no, this is the same. It has this, and this is one piece. Yep, let's get to it. Gonna install this one now. This one's new, and this is how you want it. Put it on with the arm, like this to sit. This piece to sit on the outside, and also for it to be like this on the left side. So this has to go in through here in the back. I'm not really sure what the best way is for that. I think this arm is so much shorter. This thing is way too short. Like, look at this. This would sit in here, right? And when it's sitting in here, like all the way down there like that, that's what it's gonna be like pretty much. I need it to go up to here, so we'll see if I can use this onto here, I guess. That's stupid. I hate stuff like that. Like, why not just make it proper? This was with the part number. Just don't buy knockoff. Yeah, I just put this on here. Looks a lot better. The more original, the better it is, right? Let's go. Ta-da! And then it goes through there like that. Okay, tight. All of these are back tight. You can still move this one around back and forth because the belt's not on yet. Put on everything first. Pulley, then pull on the belt, then pull the breast on. I almost forgot the sensor that goes into the water pump, so let's install that quick. Time to install this thing. Should probably magnetic field because free energy. I'm just kidding. These nuts right here. Okay. This bolt's gonna be a little bit annoying to put back in, but at least it didn't break. Jokes. So that one is back in. Putting in this wheel now. The rest is straightforward. Put it all back together and then we're good. Okay, so to tighten the serpentine belt, you gotta loosen this bolt. Then you tighten this one. So you have like 5 to 10 millimeter play. Twist it a little bit. And then once you're happy with that being tightened, then you tighten this one. Because this bolt only holds it against the block. This is the one that's doing the tensioning because it's pushing it away from the block, or like just tensioning this. Yeah, important. Put the radiators on, and yeah, just keep going. Okay. Boom. On and on.